Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to use a VPN on Netflix on a PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So a VPN it stands for Virtual Private Network. And what this does is actually changes your location. So, for example, if you're based in the UK, you could use a VPN to change your location to Spain. You could use it to change it to America, so on and so forth. So, obviously, you can use this if you want to watch, for example, the American version of Netflix, or maybe you want to watch Netflix from a different country. And to do this, what you're going to have to do first is download your actual VPN. So the one I recommend and have used for a good few years now with no problems is called VPN City. And I'll leave a link in the video description down below if you give that a click. And what's going to happen is you'll be taken to this page. What you then need to do is just click the blue Get Started button and then just go ahead and register for your account with VPN City. Once that's done, what you're going to need to do is actually log into your VPN City account. So we just click the login button. You come to vpncity.com and click login and go ahead and enter the details that you've registered with. And once you actually log in, what you're going to do is just scroll down, and on the main dashboard, you'll see you've got a number of apps available. So you've actually got an app you can download for Windows. There's one there for MacBook. There's also one for like Android, or if you use an iPhone. And you've got a couple of extensions as well for like Google Chrome and Firefox. So just go ahead and choose the one that you want to download. And then if I come across to my Netflix, you'll see at the moment currently I am based in the UK, and you can tell that because it says here top 10 in the UK today. And what I'm also going to do is just go to google.com and just type what's my IP. And we're going to go onto this first website here, what'smyipaddress.com. And you'll see that it's basically saying City, Blackwood, Philly, UK. What I'm now going to do is come back to VPN City and, in this example, download the Windows app. And once that's fully downloaded, I'm just going to click that and run the setup wizard. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this installed. And once that's finished, I'm going to leave the box ticked here. So what's going to happen is actually going to open up VPN City straight away. And this is basically what it looks like. If it's the first time, it's going to ask you to log in to your account with your details that you registered with. You can see I'm currently logged in, and once you've logged in, you've got a few options at the top here. So what you can do is click onto the streaming tab, and you'll see what you can do is you've got options here to watch like HBO Now, you've got Disney Plus, UK, US, Australia, the same for Netflix, CBS, YouTube Premium. There's a few options on there. But in this example, we're going to use locations. So I'm going to click on the locations button. And what I'm going to do is just quite simply click a location to connect to. So say I wanted to connect to America. So I'm going to type New York up here and select it, and you'll see that's come up down here. And then all you need to do is simply click this click to connect button. And what's going to happen, that's just going to take a minute or two just to connect to the VPN. So you can see the box has actually gone green and it says connection time, so that shows that we're connected. It says you're connected and secure. If I actually minimize my VPN City and I refresh this page here, you'll see that it has now changed and it is showing my IP address as New York in the US. And if I do the same with my Netflix account, and once I refresh, you will see that basically if I scroll down, you can see already there's a few different programs coming up. And you can see instead of top 10 in the UK, it's come up with top 10 in the US instead. So what I'll do, as I say, I will leave a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you can sign up and get this VPN. If you did find this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.